If you're struggling with NVENC errors in OBS Studio and just can't get your recording or streaming to work smoothly, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix NVENC errors and get back to capturing crisp, stutter-free gameplay or content without frustration. Let's jump straight in. The very first thing you want to check is your drivers, because honestly, outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are the #1 reason NVENC fails in OBS. NVENC stands for NVIDIA Encoder, and it literally depends on your graphics card running software that's up to date. Head over to your graphics card manufacturer's site. NVIDIA's GeForce experience is perfect if you've got an NVIDIA card. You might be tempted to let Windows update your drivers, but trust me, the official website always has the latest and most reliable version for your card model. Download and install the new drivers, and give your PC a quick restart afterward to make sure those changes take effect. While you're at it, double-check that OBS Studio itself is up to date. Go to the Help menu and click Check for Updates. This only takes a minute, and a fresh update can fix all sorts of strange issues that pop up with encoders. Alright, with your drivers and OBS up to date, the next step is to look at the video encoder settings in OBS. Go into Settings, then Output, and open the Recording tab. Here's what's going on. By default, OBS likes to use your GPU's dedicated encoder, that's NVENC, for recording. But if NVENC keeps throwing errors, sometimes switching to a different encoder solves the problem fast. If it's currently set to NVENC, try setting it to X264. That's a CPU encoder. It'll use your processor instead of your graphics card. Maybe your graphics card is just having a bad day, and your CPU can handle it. On the other hand, if you're already on X264 and want to keep pushing for NVENC, try selecting a different NVENC preset, if available. Sometimes the new preset works better than old, or vice versa. Don't forget to click Apply and then OK. A simple step, easy to overlook, but vital for saving your changes. If that didn't work, don't worry. There are deeper settings we can tweak. Still in the output, recording settings, try changing the encoder preset to a faster one, like fast or even faster. These presets determine how much strain the encoder puts on your hardware. Switching to a faster preset can lighten the load and maybe bypass the error. You can also take a look at multipass mode. Sometimes going single pass instead of two pass solves unusual issues. And here's a lesser-known fix. Head to Settings, Advanced, and see if there's a checkbox for Enable Hardware Encoding, NVENC. If there is, try unchecking it. This is slightly different from changing the encoder and output. It's about whether OBS uses extra features on your GPU for encoding. Turning this off can sometimes get rid of persistent problems, especially on older cards. Now, if you've made it this far and the error just won't go away, it's time for the nuclear option. Completely reinstall OBS Studio. Uninstall it from your system, but don't rush. Make sure to remove any lingering configuration files if it asks. Then, go to the official OBS Studio website. Don't trust third-party sources, and download the latest fresh copy. Install it, set up your scene again, and give it a test. Reinstalling clears out any settings or files that may be causing hidden issues behind the scenes. And there you go. With these steps, you should be able to fix NVENC errors in OBS Studio for good, whether it's glitching out on recordings or streams. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and consider dropping a comment below with any questions. I love hearing from you and will try to help out. And if you want more simple fixes for tech headaches like this, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.